Good morning, angels.
Good morning, Charlie.
You and I are heading to the Poyoj Manok Waterfalls. We are leaving my city, Tuxtla Gutierrez, and traveling for approximately 1 hour on the road. This place is located in the municipality of Ocosingo. It's a jungle area. I love pressing my face against the window to enjoy these landscapes. We are arriving at a small river. It's our sign that we are close to our destination. We've arrived, and I can see shops, public restrooms, parking areas, and small restaurants. Fortunately, it's not too hot. It's around 24 degrees Celsius, but sometimes it can reach 30 degrees Celsius. I suggest visiting between November and April because the rest of the year is very rainy. As I walk, I see beautiful houses and greet very kind people. The houses are decorated with plants and native flowers from the region. When you come, I'm sure you will love this place from the very beginning. We're getting some exercise because we have to climb stairs and walk for about 20 minutes. I finished climbing the stairs, and now we're going down a hill. Hey, Adrian. I have to say, this area is very rocky and a bit difficult to access. My mom had knee surgery some time ago, so I would hesitate to bring her. I think it could be dangerous for her. We're almost there. The amazing part is just after this bridge. I'm very excited because I want you to see it. Angels, and this is how Poyoj Manok welcomes us. Now, we'll look for a place to leave our things, sit down, rest, and eat. From here, we can see a waterfall of about 25 meters and several pools with different depths. The shop owner told me that sometimes the water can be turquoise blue, other times green, and sometimes brown. Today, it looks green to me. We are near the Agua Azul waterfalls, another very famous place in Chiapas. But here I see fewer visitors because this place is not that famous. Here is perfect for more peaceful experiences. There are children, young people, and adults enjoying time together, eating and talking. I want to show you this elefantito, this small elephant, which I received today because they say it looks like me.
¿Segura que esta agua es higiénica? Está turbia y sospechosa.
The word Poyoj Manok comes from the Mayan language and is interpreted as water that falls and roars, referring to the strong sound of the waterfall as it falls. Other locals told me it can also be interpreted as the meeting of two rivers. This trip has helped me relax a lot and reminded me how through nature I can reconnect myself. Just as nature is beautiful and must be protected, we must also take care of our inner world and our mental health. Without a doubt, today, this place has filled me with happiness, calm, and peace. And it has recharged my energy to continue my life with more excitement and enthusiasm. What did you think? I'd love to know your opinion about this place in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you on the next mission. Bye.